Just give us a bit of information about who you are and what you do.
So I'm
wonderful, bye.
Hi. So we come in for a cheeky.
Oh yes, yes people, what is going on? Welcome back to another video, and as you can see in the title, today we have run out of oil. Lovely, but luckily we got the main man, Mark Williams Performance. Like, let's just jump on the site, grab some 5W40 Motul. So yeah guys, as I was saying, like, we got the main guy, Williams Performance. If you own a BMW, guys, he's the best guy to go to. Best price, website's here, the best ever. And one thing I really like about Mark, sometimes it feels like it's same day. Before I could even... Why has he got a Williams Performance t-shirt? Oh, like that. Before you could even press the button, guys. Sometimes it's that quick. It feels like it's same day, to be honest. But yeah, make sure you hit him up for any products BMW wise. Can't be beaten on prices. Like, he's just gone into the sunset. It's all that super quick. But yeah, 100%. And one thing I really like about Mark is that he's always making new products. So make sure you stay tuned, because we've got a new product coming very soon. So we might have a little prototype to see very soon. And yeah, what I should have actually done is ordered a spare one, because one, like, oh my guy, what are you saying, blood? Okay, you wanna... Okay.
What's going on, guys? It's Tim Williams here, back with another video. And guess what? We've got some new mods in store for you today. Are you ready? Are you ready? Who's this? Excuse me. Excuse me. Who's this?
What are you doing, sir?
These two chaps.
What is he doing? Give us the ting.
Decky.
Yes, guys. What is going on? Welcome back to another video. And in this video, we've got a lovely surprise from Define Coding, who's here. We've got obviously Max down as well with his lovely M140i. We're obviously going to be installing that interior mod today. And once that's done, we're going to be going out for a bite to eat. Lovely bite to eat. But yes, guys, we're going to get straight into the video here. But before we start the video, obviously we've got the main man here. Obviously, like don't try Max. You're still involved, bro. You ain't got to like play the role, bro. He's like, I don't code. I'll just step out. Yeah. Just give us a bit of information about who you are and what you do.
So I'm
wonderful, bye. Talk to me. Define Coding, guys. Most people know him already, but quick one. What does your company do?
Yeah, we specialise in coding BMWs. We do everything from a firmware and software perspective. Anything you want doing, boot mod, mapping, coding, retrofits, the lot. So, yeah.
XHP, don't forget XHP.
Yeah, big plug.
XHP.
M140 needed.
100%. But yeah, guys, we're literally gonna get some mods done today, because Carl's obviously got a hookup as well. So just quickly explain the hookup regarding the item we're going to be installing today.
So we've done some work with Plush Automotive. They do like obviously custom bag installs. They're basically your go-to for suspension specialists, and yeah, they're an MMR paddle supplier. They've hooked us up with some goodies for you, obviously some very nice billet aluminium, dark grey anthracite. I'm pretty sure the colour was the one. Yep. Yeah, so they're basically full replacements for the paddle shifters in the car. Much better feel, direct response. Extra 10 horsepower, definitely.
All day. Dyno tested.
Yeah. I mean, we put it on a dyno yesterday.
Trust me, strapped it down good as well.
Yeah.
So, we have Max's M140 here. Max, talk to me, bro. What have you done to it so far, anyway?
Basically, sort of going for like a white and black theme. Changed the rear diffuser to a Riga one.
Got to be done.
KSB all round.
What exhaust tips have you got on, anyway?
They're actually from Cobra.
Okay.
So they did my exhaust and stuff as well. They got rid of the PPF.
Wicked.
But they gave me the tips as well. Gloss black spoiler. Sort of gloss black M4 sort of style wing mirrors. And has
this been lowered? Because I can see you got a little Rick-Tech sticker. I don't know what this Rick-Tech guy is. I don't know what this is. But yeah, what you lowered on?
25mm all round H&R, and then 15mm spaces.
Okay. All right. And that's sitting proper low, bro.
Yeah, no,
that is sitting properly. Let me just make it brighter. Yeah, it definitely is. It definitely is. And in terms of what the main thing I wanted to compare it to is what you've got over here. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up, because we're in some really, there we go, that's nice and bright. You've got different paddles, haven't you?
Yeah, so I've basically got the M2 or the M sort of style paddles.
Yep.
And it's got an M3 steering wheel, so the stitching's basically different.
Yeah, and also the split in the middle.
Yeah, the trim comes in silver.
Yeah.
But I did it black just sort of match everything else, really.
Fair enough. And any plans for this? Someone was saying you're going to be like forging the engine, 600, 700 brake?
None of that. I'm not chasing numbers.
Okay, all right.
So already got stage 1 on that, but
and it handles
an XHP,
great.
But yeah.
An XHP. So nothing. That's it for you. You're happy with it?
Sort of, yeah.
All right. But yes, guys. So obviously Define Coding. I don't know what. Let me just see what he's doing, because he's overhear his phone call. So yeah, guys, we can put boot mod 3 on it and XHP on it, and when we put XHP on it, it's gonna go like a rocket. You're gonna have to move the seat back, big man, because obviously when man drives, you know I drive like Hamilton, innit? So So, oh, hold on, should I take the battery out or just leave it?
You're taking it out, haven't you? don't scare me like that.
I'm joking. Man's about to get popped in the face. So what is it? What, couple screws and then it's done, yeah?
Yeah, disconnect the battery. You know how it is.
Yeah, man.
Literally, if I can get to it. Bro, yours is very stiff.
Are you right? Well, oh, no pressure, yeah? No pressure, because you said that you could do this in like 5 seconds.
Hey.
Come on, my guy. Come on, my guy.
Hey, I'm going.
What's the knees? What's the knees saying though? Are they cream?
They're
Oh,
cream,
you're lucky.
they're
You're
fresh.
lucky. I was gonna.
Fresh.
You're about to go viral, bro.
You're gonna look ashy, weren't you? You're gonna try and get me like that. So Tim.
Yes, boss.
You know, I said I had a special surprise for you.
Kinder surprise, eh?
This is the real
Nice.
stuff.
Nice. Can you just zoom in there? Can you just zoom in there?
Little cheeky
I'm gonna do
MMA.
some living life fast subtle movements as well. Let's go.
Okay, well, I'll move with you.
The
Matrix.
turns, yeah.
Are you ready? Ready to see him?
Let's have a look. Cheese and bread.
That's proper.
Cheese
That's
and
proper
bread.
stuff.
I'm loving that. I'm loving that, bro.
The darker colour is obviously, you know, it matches the interior nicely.
Yeah, 100%, 100%.
Hi! I'm
See,
you can have the same sauce now.
I can't even talk. I just see you doing that. I just see you doing the Conor McGregor. I was like, what's he doing? So yes guys, the pedals have been installed. We're going to go and have a look at them now, but guys, if you are interested in them, make sure you hit up Define Coding and Plush Automotive. I believe there's going to be like some sort of promotion that's going to be happening soon, so make sure you hit them up. Just going to double check. Are we all done here? Are we all done here, Gaffer?
I'm sorry about that, sir. I'm sorry.
It's battered anyway. But yeah, let me jump in here, guys. Have a look at this. Have a look at that. This is different gravy. Like, for me, they do look aggressive, don't get me wrong, but this is the look that I'm going for. Like, for me, I do love Max's ones, which were the M2, M3, 4 style, but I wanted something different. And obviously I did have an opportunity to get carbon fiber paddles, but obviously I missed out on that opportunity. So big shout out to Plush Automotive and Define Coding. And like I said, if you are interested, make sure you hit them up, because I believe there's going to be a promotion of some sort. What are you laughing? What are you saying about me?
What? No,
what are you saying?
No, nothing.
You want this smoke?
I'm just saying, I just came out of that boot, yeah?
Yeah.
Let me out sometime because sunlight's good.
Alright. But yes guys, that is the video. I hope you will. We're going to go and get a bite to eat. I hope you're having a great weekend, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless.